Hey guys, today we want to talk about possible reasons why you are not losing weight. We want to give you 5 possible reasons that you not see the weight loss that you expected and realistic things you can do to lose weight. Maybe finding it difficult to lose weight, even though you put much effort in this. If that is the case, do not be discouraged. Here are the reasons. Number 1, perhaps you are losing weight without realizing it. This occurs when someone tries to lose weight and fight hard to lose weight, and he may be losing the fat that he's targeting, yet he may be growing his muscles. In that instance, weighing yourself in a scale will not reveal that you are losing weight. You may be worried about it. So the point here is that you are losing the weight, because what you target is not losing just the weight. What you are want to lose is the extreme fat in your body. So do not rely solely on the scale. You may be losing the fat you are targeting, but building the muscles, thereby maintaining the balance in the scale. This is a good thing because you want to lose body fat, not just the weight. So always try to measure your progress other than using the scale. You can use a measurement, measure your waist circumference. That will gives you the idea and help you to understand whether you are losing weight or not. Also measure the circumference of your abdomen. You may also get the clue from there. In addition, you can also use your garments to measure it, how well your garment fits you. You can also look at yourself in the mirror. How do you look at the mirror? That will show whether you are losing weight or not. That takes us to point number 2, why you are not losing weight. If you are trying to lose weight and you're not being conscious of what you are eating, that may hinder the progress. Many people are not aware of how much calories they are consuming, how much other food they are consuming, may not be losing weight. So you have to keep records of what you are consuming every time. Studies have shown that keeping record of what you eat or tracking them has helped many people to lose weight. People who keep food diary and take pictures of themselves and their meals have this potentiality of losing weight and succeed in losing weight. However, this may not be possible for some other persons. Most of the time, those who have eating disorder do not lose weight by doing this. They have this potential disadvantage because calories consumption as well as nutritional tracking that others are making or doing to be able to lose weight do not work for these ones. Instead, it triggers side effects in people eating disorder. Otherwise, keep record of what. whole grain, you feel full and thereby cutting down on the possibilities of eating unhealthy food. It is important to remember that many people who eat processed food are eating unhealthy food, and because of that, they are not losing weight. Always look at the ingredients on the food items you are purchasing. What are the ingredients? Do not just look at the healthy food facts on it. Go beyond that. Read the details on the label to know what food you are about to take or about to purchase. That will give you a clue to whether it's a high carb food or not. And if it is high carb food, then you need to avoid it. Make it a point based that you eat diet that is whole food, whole grains, and quit processed food, because this is not just your health but your effort to lose weight. This is my video for today. Thank you for watching. Looking forward to seeing you on the next video. Click the bell icon so that you'll be notified and subscribe to this channel. Remain healthy. See you.